Morning, my dear students. This is the Dr. D.V. Rao, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce. Now, I would like to explain venture capital. You see now, venture capital. So, venture plus venture capital, two words combination. You know capital. You know capital types. But venture capital is the new term. Rare times you are listening venture capital. Venture means a challenge. Here, generally, people would not like to invest in a new high risk companies. Some people invest money in such a new high risk companies. Even though the risk is high, there is a potential of getting a return of the 10 times more in less than 5 years. The investors making such investments are called venture capitalists. The money invested in new high risk and high return firms is called as a venture capital. My dear commerce students, it is a very important venture capital present days, present scenario. It is a very important venture capital. So here investors they are expected highly rate of return, and they are think first low investment and expected maximum return. Okay, so you gotta simply understand, my students, people invest money in such a new high risk companies. Some people are not interested highly risk, but the risk is high. There is a potential of getting return of 10 times more in less than 5 years. Less than in 5 years, you are invest the low investment and bear it risk, then a enjoyable highly return. Only a few investors they take up challenge and risk. Some people not interested taking the high risk. They are going to the bank. They are going to bank and deposit that money. They are not considered. So here, some challenge investors invest amount and take up highly risk. They are enjoyable potential of getting return of the 10 times of the more in less than 5 years. They are created job environment, and they are give the tax to the government of India. So the government of India also concentration venture capital. So government of India and the central government of India provides several infrastructure or manufacturing facilities given to highly risk investors. Suppose you are encouraged and motivate or stimulate to the highly investors, they take up the risk, they create the job environment. So the government of India, they are not created the more jobs. It is a challenge also government of India and the state government of India. So who are the investors in India? Identify and encourage to the those persons, they are especially interested in this venture capital. Venture capitalists, they are thinking highly rate of return. Okay, and the next slide. So my dear students, you can observe it, and interview times also private organizations, private business organizations, interview board members asking what is the meaning of the venture capital. Venture capital meaning, you are tell about venture capital meaning. Yes, so here is simply and easy to understand. The term venture capital comprises of two words, namely venture plus and capital. You clearly observed here. You concentration here this slide. Okay, the term venture literally means a course or a proceeding, the outcome of which is uncertain. It means involving the risk. Definitely risk involved here. The term capital refers to the resources to start the enterprise. Thus, venture capital refers to capital investment in a new and a risky business enterprise. Money is invested in such enterprises because these have high growth potential. So here easy to understand, venture plus capital. Venture means involve with the risk. So you are try to understand and underlining here. So here highly risk available here. If you are start any organization and take up a challenge, the risk involvement is there. So you are daring, you are challenge take up. The central government of India supported to venture capital investors. Venture capital investors. The central government of India provides the venture capital holders tax holiday also there. Tax holiday is also there, less than 5 years only. Okay. Suppose the government of India not supported to the venture capitalist persons, they are not invested, they are not invested, they are not invested, then automatically there is no job environment created. Okay, so here production sector potential increase depends upon the venture capital. Okay, so here simply understand, my dear commerce students, only venture capital means involving the highly risk. Highly risk is there when highly risk expected, highly return also there. Highly risk with the highly return also there. Highly risk take a person, they are enjoyable the highly return also. Okay. So characteristics of the venture capital. It is basically equity finance. Yes, you know, preference shareholders and the equity shareholders. But venture capital related to equity finance. Board members asking any time interview, this time you say that equity finance, venture capital relevant to equity finance. Okay, you are writing any competitive exams, commerce, accounts officers exams this time. The question is also there. Equity finance, venture capital dash, equity finance, preference shareholders finance. So here a tick mark is there. equity finance. It is a long-term investment in a growth-oriented small or medium firms. It is long-term investment in a growth-oriented small or medium firms. Investment is made only in high-risk projects with the objective of earning a high rate of return. In addition to providing capital, venture capital funds take an active interest in the management of the assisted firm. It is rightly said that venture capital combines the qualities of banker, stock market, investor, and entrepreneur in one. So you have simply identified the characteristics of the venture capital. You are recognized equity, finance, and a long-term investment. Okay. And the venture capital funds have a continuous involvement in business after making the investment. Once the venture has reached the full potential, the venture capitalist sells his holdings at a high premium. Thus, his main objective of investment is not to earn a profit but a capital gain. My dear student, you can understand the last point. Venture capital main objective is not to earn profit but a capital gain. Okay. Generally, there are three types of venture capital funds. You know venture capital meaning. Now you are learn venture capital funds. How many types? Three types. First one is venture capital fund set up by angel investors. There are individuals who invest their personal capital in startup companies. They are about 50 years old. They have high income and wealth. They are well educated. They have succeeded as entrepreneurs. They are interested in the startup process. The central government of India also introduced the startup program, Make in India program also. So here they have succeeded as entrepreneurs. They are interested in the startup process. And the second one is venture capital subsidiaries of corporations. These are established by the major corporations, commercial banks, holding companies, and other financial institutions. And the third one is private capital firms and funds. The primary source of the venture capital is a venture capital firm. It takes high risks by investing in an early stage of company with a high growth potential. Venture capital is typically available in the four forms in India: equity, conditional loan, income note, and a conventional loan. Conventional loan means a traditional loan. Okay. So here you can understand equity. All VCF, venture capital funds. VCF means or VCF stands for venture capital funds in India provide equity, but generally their contribution does not exceed 49% of the total equity capital. Thus, here you do not exceed 49% of the total equity capital. Thus, the effective control and majority ownership of the firm remaining with the entrepreneur. They buy shares of an enterprise with an intention to ultimately sell them off to make a capital gains. And conditional loan, it is repayable in the form of royalty after the venture is able to generate sales. No interest is paid on such a loans in India. Venture capital funds charge royalty ranging between 2 and 15%. Actual rate depends on the other factors of the venture, such as a gestation period, cash flow patterns, and riskiness. Conditional loan is the understand. And income note. So you concentration here. It is a hybrid security which combines the features of both conventional loan and conditional loan. The entrepreneur has to pay both interest and royalty on sales, but at substantially low rates. My dear students, income note, it is a hybrid security only. Easy to understand. Okay. Conventional loan. Under this form of assistance, the enterprise is assisted by way of loans. On the loans, a lower fixed rate of interest is a charge till the unit becomes commercially operational. When the company starts earning profits, normal or a higher rate of interest will be charged on the loan. The loan has to be repaid as per the terms of the loan agreement. So most of the banks also introduce this type of conventional loans. Other financing methods. A few venture capitalists, particularly in the private sector, have started introducing innovative financial securities like participating debentures introduced by TCFC. Okay, my dear students, so you are going to anyway junior accounts officers and senior accounts officers jobs, particularly asking the venture capital system. So these are points you are clearly understanding and reading at home, then give the good answers before the board members. Okay, thank you one and all. Okay sir, thank you, thank you. Sir,